Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe for the ever popular Chicken Tikka Masala, chicken tikkas in a rich and creamy, nut-free gravy. It doesn't get easier than this. To begin, prepare the tikkas. I have used chicken thighs for this recipe. Cut them into tikka-sized pieces. For the marinade, in a large bowl, mix together 3 tablespoons hung curd, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon black salt or kala namak, 1 tablespoon cumin powder jeera, 1 tablespoon coriander powder dhania, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoons crushed kasuri methi, dried fenugreek leaves, 2 teaspoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon gram flour besan, and 3 tablespoons mustard oil. Mix well and leave it to marinate for 3 to 4 hours. Heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan on high heat. You can also use a grill pan. Add in the tikka pieces, making sure the pan is hot so that you can hear the sizzle. Turn over the pieces, lower the heat and grill until the tikkas are cooked. Remove and keep aside. To prepare the masala, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add in 2 tablespoons butter and allow it to melt. Add in 1 medium onion, finely chopped, and 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. Saute until the onions are translucent. Add in 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Mix well and saute for a minute or 2. Do not brown. Add in a cup of freshly pureed tomatoes and 2 tablespoons tomato puree for color. Saute until the tomatoes are cooked. Now add in the dry masalas, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder jeera, and 1 tablespoon coriander powder dhania. Mix well and saute until you can see the oil appearing on the sides. Lower the heat, add in half a cup of cream and mix well. Do not cook on high heat now or the cream will split. Now add in the chicken tikkas and mix until they are well coated. Add in 2 teaspoons crushed kasuri methi and 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix. Cover with a lid and simmer for a few minutes. The chicken tikka masala is ready to serve. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves and serve with lachha paranthas or naans. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.